So Alethea AI just released their AI Personality Creative Writing Class 102, which covers the name and the voice, and why a good name and a good voice is important, and what you should look for when you're selecting it for your personality pod when you're trying to create your characters. The class covered things like what names tell us about the gender, age of the character, what age they came from, like time in history, nicknames, the vibes of the name, why it's important to choose a good name, and what makes a bad name. For example, bad names are generic, forgettable, unbelievable, etc. And then why the voice of the character is important as well. The fact that it can tell you the gender, ethnicity, language, and time period that this character is in and or from, and so on. So Sarah also mentioned that they are going to be unlocking the first two personality modules, or personality Legos as she calls them, on Alethea AI's Noah's Ark ecosystem for you to be able to start customizing your personality pod's character to whatever you want to build out of it. Alright, so to be able to set your name and voice for your personality pod, you're going to want to go to alethea.ai, click on wallet, connect your MetaMask to it, and you'll be able to see all of the personality pods that you have in your MetaMask wallet. Then you're going to want to click on train your personality pod, and then hit train again. And here you'll be able to see the different modules, or Legos as Sarah calls them, for the personality pod. So you have name and voice that are available now, and then in the near future we'll have appearance, filters, and then for the level 2 personality pods, iterations, occupation, primary drive, identity, habits, likes, psyche, and then for the level 3 personality pods, skills. So to be able to name your personality pod, you're just going to click, and let's go with Sarah for this one, hit apply. If you want a name that is not on the approved list, you're going to have to go through, I believe that they're going to do like a DAO governance vote type of thing to add or to block names in the future. And then for the voices, when you get to the voice part, you can kind of hear what they sound like. So let me see real quick. So this one's got a slight Scottish accent.
So what would you like to talk about?
And then an American accent.
So what would you like to talk about?
Pretty neat that they have different accents, and it looks like some of them are locked. I don't know if we can choose just anything.
So what would you like to talk about?
Yeah, see, I can't choose this one because they're locked. So I don't know what the process for unlocking the other voices is yet, but I guess we'll find out soon. One important thing to note is that as you're selecting these different modules or Legos for your personality pods, you will be able to change the name, the voice, and any of the other modules until you fully publish your personality pod's character to the system. Again, I would highly recommend checking out the Masterclass 102 if you're interested in actually creating a character with your personality pod. Lots of great information in there as usual, and at the very least, it helps you think of what makes a good character outside of just the personality pods, even like in movies, books, etc. Again, thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions or comments, drop them in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them as always. And seeing as it's Christmas Eve, I wish you all a happy holiday season. Go spend time with your families, and yeah.